object in our loot box script. And it's going to go to that loot manager.instance, and we're going to create a new function, and there's 3 of them. You're going to create a get random legendary loot, and then we're also going to want to go ahead and create not only get random legendary loot, but get random epic loot and get random standard loot as well. Once we get those, if we check to see if there's actually something in that array, we are going to then go ahead and let's just get this all set up. We got to make sure that there is something in this array. If there isn't, we're going to return nothing. Else, we need an index number. We need to find out which item we're going to pull. So we're going to randomly pull from the length of this array, from 0 to whatever, how many is there, and then we're going to return this game object based on that index. And we're going to do that for all 3. So epic loot will return its epic index, and legendary loot will return its index value when we run this function. Then inside of our loot box script, all we need to do once we store that loot inside the loot game object is, instead of running it from the array, we're just going to run it from loot, and that's pulling directly from the manager class. So let's go ahead and save that, and then we're going to also add a little audio effect, so it does a little like ching when you opened up the loot, so it's a little more immersive. And we'll go ahead and save that, play, and when we walk over, if we get a standard loot, we're going to open a standard. If we open an epic, we're going to pull an epic. If we open a legendary, and now these assets are actually pulling from a manager class. Good work.